Hey Booze, back with another video. So I got off work around 2 o'clock. So I'm about to start cooking dinner. So today we're doing fried chicken. We got some mustard for our binder, y'all already know. So you go with mustard for your binder. We're gonna use some adobo today. I'm gonna go a little heavy handed today. Because last time I made fried chicken, it was not enough seasoning. So we're gonna go with some garlic powder, onion powder, some Tonys, what's left of my Tonys. Gotta get some more Tonys, because y'all know I use Tonys a lot. And paprika. So my oil is already hot. So what I'm gonna do is get my batter of flour and just season it with the same seasonings. Make sure this is dusted really well. Just shake off that excess. Okay, so this is the first batch. Let's try a piece. Hear that crunchiness? This is the fried chicken dog. Got some hot sauce. Gooder than a mug. Nice and crunchy. Well seasoned. I did that. Love you, bye.